Lima represents the biggest development of Aboitiz land in terms of land area. Lima, in fact, has almost 60,000 people that are being employed within that environment. And with all of the development that was going on in the Batangas area in terms of the infrastructure, in terms of urbanization and all that, we felt that Lima would now start evolving into just a purely industrial park.
When we started actively marketing Lima in 2015, we had to change the whole spectrum from the redevelopment of the park to the way we market it to different countries. And we have to consider that there are a lot of competitors, both local and international. And now, Lima is the foremost and leading industrial park in the country.
With Lima, we have a very mature industrial anchor with over 50 locators and 50,000 employees. With that, we intend to develop the park, evolve it to a more synergistic estate wherein there is commercial and there is residential components. So altogether, it becomes that vision of a new industry city.
A new industry city is an industrial anchored township where you have mainly your place of work with components like your commercial and residential. People come, people start to live, start to grow with the estate and really become the heart and soul of what the estate should be.
Well, Lima is like no other. You won't find any industrial park development like Lima here in the Philippines. We are a world-class industrial park wherein we can compete with international players.
Exciting times ahead. With all the plans targeting to be realized, I think Lima would make a valuable mark in the history of Batangas. Like when you Google Batangas, Lima would be the top answer.